Hare Krishna devotees. My name is Ashima Gupta, and my ISKCON journey started from January 2017. I will not say Krishna consciousness because that is something I learned from my mother since childhood. So I would like to say like my ISKCON journey started from our devotees association. It started from January 20, around Feb 27 when I came to London. So my husband noticed like there is a temple in Upton Park, and so he told me you should start visiting that temple. And I start visiting the temple, and like I start attending that 12 p.m. Aarti, and from that I realized like I got the association of devotees from there, and so it was like it became my daily routine to attend the Aarti in the temple. So there I met, there I came to know about that Srimad Bhagavatam class every Sunday, and that is given by Guru Maharaj. So I start attending that Srimad Bhagavatam class also. So there I met, like there were a lot of devotees. So I met with Victor Prabhu. He told me about 64 Byron Avenue that you should visit that place because there is like there is every week discussion about Srimad Bhagavatam, so you can understand Srimad Bhagavatam, like you can understand that Srimad Bhagavatam. So and luckily, like we moved to East Ham, London, like in June. So I attended one program, and one of the devotee came to me. Do you want to attend like Srimad Bhagavatam class? Like from a form, she asked me, and I feel yes. So Kusum Mataji called me. Mataji, do you want to attend Srimad Bhagavatam class? I said, of course. I was looking for that opportunity, and so from there I started attending that every Thursday, like Srimad Bhagavatam class that was given by Kusum Mataji. So I met a lot of devotees there, and a good association for me like started. I became part of good association. Like in Hindi, we used to say like satsang. So I got like good association from there, and it was like Jagannath Darshan. That was very interesting, something for me, and Sri Sri Radha Madhav Darshan. However, like I stayed in East Ham for very short amount of time. Like I was there till September only because like my husband got another project and we moved to Warwickshire. But in that short amount of time, like in East Ham, I was able to serve. I got some opportunities because of Gautam Mataji or because of Krishna Mercy, so that I was able to serve something in Jagannath Rath Yatra, and as many things like as Kusum Mataji told me, I visited Watford Temple also with Kusum Mataji. I met a lot of devotees there, but like as I said, in October we moved to Nuneaton, Warwickshire. So I was missing that association here because it's a small town. So there is no association nearby in Nuneaton, and so like Kusum Mataji is the one who always kept me engaged, who always used to phone me, Mataji, are you doing chanting every day? Are you able to manage your routine and all these things? So suddenly it came to my mind like during day-to-day worship, I should start reading Srimad Bhagavatam. So I started reading like 2 pages of Srimad Bhagavatam every day, and suddenly, like as we all know, this pandemic came, and Kusum Mataji called me once again. Like one day, Mataji, an online class started that will be given by Yumna Mataji. Would you like to attend this class? I was like very happy. Of course, I was missing that association. I would like to attend it. So from there, like I was able to get association of all the devotees again through online, able to get darshan of Jagannath, Sri Srimad, Radha Madhav and everything. And from that time, I realized since the time that my school journey started, I have noticed many positive changes in my life. And even everything I think I can't explain in words. But of course, devotees association is always good for all of our life. So we should be part of this association. It is good for everyone.